What the shit? He's not moving. This guy is insane. The vibrations are real, baby. I wasn't planning to vlog today, but the sky is really nice. So I think we just got vlog. But I also didn't bring my mic and didn't bring any of the other vlogging stuff, so I apologize for the audio for this. It's kind of crap. But today was meant to be a day 2 of the air show. But we saw these signs that said art market, and you know her. So
I gotta check it.
we gotta check it out, and here it is. We found it. Y'all already know this is her favorite shit in the world. So we gotta check it out at least for a bit. We're done with the
Art fair.
Yeah, we're done art fair. What did you think of the art fair?
It's very different from Singapore. A lot of like fine art.
Yeah, a lot. Anyway, we're gonna head off to the air show now, and the next thing is at 1:30, and it's currently at 1:11.
Heyo.
And we got 20 minutes to try and make it to a good spot.
Yeah.
Down.
We'll try.
It's quite far away, but hopefully it's okay. Let's go. So we're still on the way to the beach, but it's so pretty that we had to stop. Like, look at this. Wow, look at this. A casual lake. Not a lake, like a stream, I guess. I don't know, I guess it's like longkang. We even got a duck here. It's a little duckling. So cute! What the crap? Busy day. And yeah, the crowds, the beach. Wow. It's so packed, the beach is crazy packed. Nobody's wearing a mask. Yeah. So
Stay safe, kids.
it's super crowded, but wow, look at this. It's amazing. Look at this. Wow, look at these scenes. This is like the great British summer kind of thing, right? The vibrations are real, baby. You're ruining the montage.
Champ, 1:57. Alright. As soon as you think leave the box, I'll start the timer, alright? Yeah. You're in.
2 minutes.
1 eternity later.
I feel like going.
No.
No, the pain.
12 seconds later.
No, don't you dare let go!
No.
Oh, my arms are gone. Like 1 minute. My arms are gone.
Go. Write your name.
Can I say 1:30?
Yay, a champ. Thank you.
Want two?
Yes, please.
Okay. I'll
Thanks.
have to make that one a little bit on it, but...
My head's too big.
Yeah. Well, it's either head's too big, too much hair, or too much brain. Might be too much brain.
Hopefully. Thank you.
Thank you.
We got hats.
Do we look fashionable now?
I think we look very fashionable. Found a nice spot on the sand.
We just punked ourselves here.
Yeah, and watched the airplanes in the sky.
There.
Now looking ahead, Andy Evans, Blade 1 leads the team into the first loop of the display, calling for Blades 2 and 3 to move forward into the box formation, followed by Blade 4. This is the box loop. Andy is a founding member of the Blades back in 2006, has flown in every position of the Blades, taking the Blade 1 position in 2017. Andy is a former Red Arrow and Jaguar pilot and has flown over 3,000 hours in the Extra 300. As the blades pull up now into the vertical, Blades 2 and 3 will perform opposite stall turns. Blades 4 will perform a pushover and Blade 1 will pull back. This is Falling Angels. As the team now head directly back towards the crowd line at full speed and in staggered formation for the first break of the display. They'll be pulling up to HG to perform the crossfire break. Looking now to your left, this is the most difficult manoeuvre in the display. So to your left at 10 o'clock, you'll see blades 1, 2 and 3 approaching. Blade 1 rolls and turns simultaneously. Blades 2 and 3 will barrel roll around blade 1's smoke, trying to match each other at the top of the bottom of each roll. You'll now see the team heading directly towards the crowd line. Blades 1, 2 and 3 will pull up and split, leaving blade 4 to add the fifth. Cameras to the ready. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Champagne Split, and you have been watching the blades. Pulling back up into the vertical, James completes his display with a long Chirac to hover.
If you ever go across to Washington, D.C., in an outpost of the Smithsonian Museum, you can see there's a little stinker where it should be hanging upside down in the museum there.
Oh my gosh.
It's just gone on from strength to strength and still a hugely popular aircraft with aerobatic display pilots.
What the crap?
So Richard has very much developed this work. He's climbing up now, just cooling off a bit of the engine there to prepare himself for his Tower of Power. But coming back in, running now, outinverted once again, he'll go through another series of tumbles and turns before he gets enough. But pushing out here, he's increasing the negative G by doing this, pushing against himself to putting the stick forward until he comes over the top. And then he's able to put on a bit of positive G to recover from that. Again, a whole series of tumbles and turns are endemic throughout his
This guy's
display.
insane.
Double hammerheads, flick rolls. Aileron.
Oh my god. Oh, you didn't bring sunglasses.
Side loops,
Yeah,
a whole
okay.
range of
Okay, what the shit, he's not moving.
maneuvers throughout the course of his display.
Holy shit.
Here he is, virtually
crap?
hovering the aircraft, not allowing it to go gyroscopic, but just using the residual.
Give them a big wave before they haul our 15-ton machine backwards into an over-the-shoulder departure. And with that, I must also say my goodbyes. It's been an absolute pleasure to display for you here at Bournemouth today, and our sincere thanks must go out to the event organisers, Flying Control Committee, and of course, all of you for coming to watch us.
So we just finished the first phase of the air show today. And I'm gonna head off to find a better position. Hopefully we can get a really nice shot of the red arrows when they come out. It's amazing. Hopefully I can cut to that right now.
Red arrows! Well, the aircraft has now moved into an iconic formation shape. You're about to see the most dynamic maneuver of the first half. Red 1 about to bank the aircraft around to the left. 8 and 9 changing smoke colour as they go. Get those cameras rolling. It's Tornado. High speed down the line. He's going to turn hard away from us. Looking for reds 1 to 5, forming the inverted T. Just fly straight down the middle in the goose.
Oh shit! Oh! Oh my god.
Unit section with the red, white and blue smoke flying from our left to right. On the right wing, smoking blue is red 4 by Lieutenant James Turner. About to smoke all blue. The Red Arrows tribute to the NHS.
Woo!
Time to get our eyes back out to the left as the aircraft roll from the inside of the formation to the outside, changing smoke colour as they go. In the rollbacks. Clear go, call 2 and 3, the signal for 4 and 5 to roll. Of our dynamic splits, get your cameras ready. It's the Jimmo brake. Look straight ahead and to the right. Here come the 6 aircraft of Enid and Red 9 entering the first of 2 snake-like barrel rolls in Python.
all selected by buttons on the pilot's control column, carefully choreographed throughout the display so we don't run out of any of the colours. As 6 and 7 run in from the left and right, closing with 700 miles an hour closure. As they cross, they'll barrel roll down the line, fly right to the end of the display line before pulling up into opposition loops in Boomerang. We'll have a great view of this manoeuvre here in Bournemouth with the long display line, the long beach. Red 6 and 7 now pulling up to the vertical. They'll complete 3/4 loops, finishing 60 degrees nose down before rolling the right way round, levelling at 100 feet and crossing once more in Boomerang. Let's hear it for the synchro pair! Now as we approach the show finale, let's look straight back out to the front again. The smoke coming on, get the cameras ready for the spectacular Vixen break. Ladies and gentlemen, you've been watching the Red Arrows!
Just finished the afternoon section of the
Air show.
air show there.
Festival.
Yeah, hope you enjoyed the highlight.
We're gonna find dinner now.
Yeah, festival food is expensive.
Yeah, we're trying to be on that budget life, so you'll
So like,
see.
hopefully find something nice and not like crazy expensive.
We'll see.
Also, can I just say it's a beautiful day? Like, look at this. Like, come on, this is gorgeous.
He loves his blue skies.
We found our dinner, got some pizza we're sitting on Haystack. The vibes here are like
Amazing.
really, really amazing. Like, wow. Look at this.
Like pouring off something.
Oh, is it?
So the colours.
Yeah, so we just had dinner and it was great. I give it a 1.5 thumbs up. How about you?
I give it a 1. I think
what?
it was mainly for the ambience that was nice.
That's true.
The pizza was oddly sweet, but the ambience was like the main selling point for me.
Getting back to our seats now, and then we're gonna
We're
catch.
gonna spot it through our pile of rocks.
So what's on the spot around Pork Twins?
That
Okay, there it is.
was quite possible.
Okay, so we found our round of pox. Anyway, we're gonna knock ourselves here for the rest of the night.
But should we start it?
Yes, like right now.
Signing off and handing over to the commentary box now for the Night Air Extravaganza. Enjoy your evening.
Here he is coming in fast and slow from the left. Stand by. Lots of noise. You have been warned. And this is where the whole evening is transformed now. As you see these outstanding fireworks going off on the wings. It's extraordinary how many they managed to load onto the machine during the course of the display. And there are whole different sequences, but as they continue to fly the display they'd already planned, putting up into a series of synchronized loops and wingovers, the occasional barrel roll as well.
Wow, that's so nice.
These are my favorite kind of like fireworks. The like